Hi everyone, welcome back to Natasha's Healthy Living. It is Wednesday and I'm hopping on for a little bonus video to share with you today. I'm home up in my office, busy working. I had a full morning of getting our PSR classrooms all ready with the other teachers that I work with, so that was fun. We got to do some brainstorming and it just felt good to get things kind of spruced up and ready for the kiddos that will be coming in a few weeks. And now I have a box that came the other day that I'm excited to share with you. So this is the Jane's Agenda order that I got in their anniversary launch event a couple weeks ago. I actually got 2 orders and I just tucked them. One of them was a smaller order that I tucked in here in the one box just to make it easy to open. So just thought I would hop on and share because I always love a good unboxing video. I love seeing Jane's Agenda products and things that come in the mail, and it's just fun to see. So we've got our usual thank you card on there. I'm not sure what I got on mine. Must be something that's up here in my office. So I got 4 things in here. So we'll take everything out. You can probably see what some of these goodies are. Hold on. All right, so we'll just start with what's on top. I had my eye on a couple of things. Of course, I'm loving this new colorway that came out with the anniversary event, and I'd love to hear in the comments, let me know what goodies you got in the anniversary event. So this is that new chestnut brown, and this is called a mini train case. Oh, not chestnut, hazelnut. So it's a hazelnut brown train case. We have this beautiful gold zipper, and if you know anything about Jane's Agenda's products, Jane is a picky person when it comes to the zippers. So the zippers are always really good, high quality, heavy duty zippers that are going to last, which I love. And I'm so excited for this because it's just the right size. Something I was kind of thinking, now that I'm working from home more, sometimes I just get tired of sitting at my desk. And so I find myself wanting to move down to the dining room, or sometimes in the morning I'll work on the front porch for a little bit with my planner. And I love the Jane's Agenda pen pouch that we got in one of the subscription boxes a while back. But as you can see, I have mine pretty full. Plus I have some other things at my desk that I've been trying to take with me, but then they don't fit in here. So I'm actually thinking this will be so nice because I can fill this up with some of the goodies that I want to take with me around my house and have a little more room for things. So we have that beautiful Jane's Agenda logo in the middle with the gold foil. Just a nice clean case here with plenty of room. It's, I would say, at least 2.5 inches maybe on the height of it, depth of it. So that's going to hold plenty of things. Actually, I'll show you really quickly, just so you can see sizing on things. So Zig Clean Color dot marker is going to fit in there at an angle, and I think it's going to be the same. Ooh, I don't know if a Tombow will fit. It'll fit if I kind of stretch it a little bit so that it gets down in that angle, but you probably can't keep too many in there. I'll actually show you really quick. I was going to unbox everything, but let's just do it. Let's do it all right now. So these are all the pens that I've been carrying around with me, plus some refills for my friction erasable pens, not highlighter pens, but erasable pens. So all those pens, and then I've been enjoying having a tweezer on hand for stickers. Sometimes I need to cut a sticker, so I like keeping the scissors. I keep some of the page flags. Every once in a while I want to use that. This is something that really was kind of bulking up that pen pouch, and it's just a little whiteout travel thing, but I liked that it had a lid so I could do things like this, toss it in there. And then let's get all these friction highlighters and pens out. So now I have room for all of that. And that stuff will be easy to kind of flip through and find all my things. And then I want to add a couple of other things that I've been using this month. So I try to kind of have a color scheme that I work with for the month. And I'm going to be using that dark green. I'll throw in that yellow zig and maybe that one. And then I also picked up some of the this friction line, what is it called? Aura. There was a pack of them at Target, and they are 0.7, which is a thicker ballpoint that I use only for highlighting or like headers for header boxes. So I think I just want the black version of that and this purple, because I use purple a lot in my pen or in my planner, and sometimes I just like having that extra one. I don't know that my gray, well, it will fit. Actually, now that I've got all that stuff in there, it still fits. So I'm gonna have everything I need. There's actually room to add more if I want it. Whoops, I got a pen or something in the way. There we go. And got to get around that Tombow. Oh my goodness, that is, yeah, that Tombow is the only thing. I'm not sure if that's going to cause a problem on my zipper, so I don't know if it unzips okay. I think it's just, I probably should put it in the bottom. Let's do that so that it's not right at the same height as the zipper, because then it's fine. Okay, look at that. Perfect. I love that. I love this beautiful, rich hazelnut brown. Such a pretty color for the fall. And then I've got everything I need in that case, which is easy to take on the go with me. All right, the next thing I got, these are just some of the little pockets, and these are the quote card adhesive pockets, and I like these. Of course, I forgot to grab it. Hold on. I like to use those on the hybrid dashboard. So hopefully you can see that there. Let me tuck. So you can put a quote card in there like that. The square, do I have any of the square quote cards? Here's one. This was something that was the back of something else, but it's the size of a quote card. And then I use the corner punch just to test out the corners. So that's why it looks funny. But I like having those sticky pockets to use on things. So I got 3 of them so that I would just have a few more on hand. Basically, anytime I get an adhesive or a hybrid page finder like that, I'd like to put one at the bottom. So now I have a few more to use, which will be good. So I also got those. And then I got 2 covers. So if you got a subscription box, you either got if you got the cover club or the deluxe planner box, no, that's not right. If you got the lifestyle or the deluxe planner box, subscription box for the month of September, you got a new cover. So we got the Wrap Hazelnut cover, which I unboxed this and used that to put on my planner in my last video. If you want to go watch that, you can. But I thought I also really like a good snap cover, and these are a new design to Jane's Agenda. So I got one of each, one in hazelnut, and the other one is barely pink. And I loved these because this has been my dream cover that I've been hoping and wishing Jane would come out with, because it's a snap-on cover, it has the pockets, it has 2 pen loops, and it has now this wrap like snap tab on it, which the old ones did not have a way to do this. And there's 2 of them, so you can adjust it depending on how thick your planner is. If you have 2-inch discs, you'll probably need the outer one. If you have 1.5 or something smaller, then you could use the inner one. So I was really excited to get both of those colorways because they're both beautiful. I'll show you barely pink next to, what do I have? Well, actually this one, so you can see it next to that. It's a little bit different there. The other one is shell or beige. So this is one we've had for a little while, but you can see there's just that little bit of a pink hue to it. Oh no, I take that back. This is the double-sided one, but it is the beige color on the front. I thought this was the first one I had, but same thing. You get to see the difference in color there. So that kind of shows you those 3. I think this one was maybe blush pink. This might be blush pink, and this is barely pink, the new one. So super excited to have that. Again, I have to find places to set everything at my desk. So now I have a hazelnut cover in both the wrap and the snap, which I'm really excited to have. And I think what we're going to do today is go ahead and pop on this Hazelnut Snap cover, because I'm really wanting to see that on my planner. I've been enjoying using my planner, and I want to show you how I'm using the new daily pages as well. But first I want to try out that cover. Get rid of all these plastic bags here because you can tell the difference here. Hopefully, I think you can even, I'm not even sure if I'm on screen. Okay. I think it's too big for the screen. Let me see if I can go up any. There's definitely a difference in how much size the wrap takes up on your desk versus the snap. So we're going to look at this here and I'll show you why, even though I do like a wrap as far as security goes and just it does feel, you know, very professional and put together, I do enjoy a snap. So we're going to take all these things out really quickly and pull out my little notes and quotes tablet and the Jordan Essentials new catalog that I've been carrying around with me. And then we're just going to slide, this is my planner, slide this out. Now with a snap cover, I don't need this back cover on. So I'm going to take that off really quick. Don't mind my squeaky chair. One of the tricks you can do, I'll show you this first actually. So this is my back cover that's going to go on in a second. There is one thing you can do if you want to have both of your covers visible in the front like this. You can take your, and I don't know if it's going to work, you can take your cover and slide it into this pocket just to have it visible, and we'll see if this will work because it's a brand new pocket, so it's not really gotten broken in at all. So you can slide that in like that, and then you can, I mean, if you wanted to use it as kind of like a little secret pocket and tuck things behind there, you can, but more than anything, it's just so that you can see the design on both the inside and this back cover. I don't think I'm going to do that, so I'm going to take mine out. What you would do after you do that is then snap the cover on. So I'm going to take that off, and I'm going to try to be super careful and rock my discs so that I don't have any damage. I'm trying to be extra careful. There we go. Because I just don't want to have any damage. My planner is so full, so my discs don't want to do much rocking, but I'm getting it. There we go. And of course, this is a cover, so I don't need the vegan leather cover. I just like the way it looks. Like, I could just do it, have my planner with these two covers and do the elastic wrap on it like that, and that could totally be the planner just like that. But I just like to just have that extra layer and cover. So this is a little softer plastic, so these are easy to pop on and pop off, no big deal. Okay, we'll go ahead and put my highlighter back in there, tuck in some of my other goodies here. So we've got Jordan Essentials catalog. That's all going to tuck in basically the same as it was before. Very nice. Got my Be Your Own Kind of Beautiful that'll go up here with a little, it just has a little bit of sticky tack or museum putty on the back. And I usually have to kind of smush it up to add it to a new spot in my planner. Tuck in our little pup and my sample. I think I had that back here. I don't know. We'll keep it there. That's the sample of the new Jordan Essentials scent for fall. And then I've got my two, I think the pockets, I don't know, maybe that's where I had it before, but I've got my two quote cards. So that's going to be the front of the planner with that cover. And then let's see, it's getting full there. And then we'll put this one on like that. Yeah, this is way easier to pop on. Okay, and then I've got my new, or not new, just my usual 4-color friction pen. Now let's see, which snap do I need? I'm guessing I'm gonna need the outer snap because it is very full. So it's, yeah, I might have to get some 2-inch discs on here soon because it's getting pretty full. So I definitely need to go to that outer snap. I can't make it fit the smaller snap. So that already feels lighter, feels a little more portable. And then the thing that I really like about the snap covers is when I'm here planning, I can flip it like this. And if this thing is in the way, I usually just tuck it under, because once you've used it for a little bit, then it'll start laying open instead of wanting to flip and close. So that gives me an easy way to use my planner just this wide. Now I did want to show you, let me again make sure you can see. Oh my gosh, I'm off the screen. There we go. So I wanted to show you, I've been using the new, well, first of all, this was a brain dump that I did. Jane went on the Master Plan Collective this week, and we had a live brain dump session with her, which was very helpful to walk through how to prioritize things. And I decided to try using the new daily dashboard that we just got. So I just thought I'd flip and kind of show you how this is looking. Sorry about the light coming through the blinds. The first day, Monday, I was home and worked all day and had 2 trainings I sat in on, and really felt like I, used my planner and did a lot of work up here in my office. Yesterday I ran errands, so didn't use these pages quite as much, but I've been doing just kind of note-taking. What is it called? I can't remember the name of it. There's a type of journaling. I want to say interstitial, but I don't think that's right. There's a type of journaling you can do where you're basically just noting, you can do thoughts, you can do notes about what you did, but you just write down the time and what you did. So I decided to try that this week, just to keep an eye on what I'm doing, how I'm using my time, and just to see, what things are happening. And so this is how this is all looking. I actually need to update this now. I've been home for a little while because setting up the classrooms took a lot longer than I thought. So everything got pushed back, and it's now 3 o'clock, and my daughter will be home in a little while. She has theater boot camp tonight, so they get to see what having a role in one of the theater productions at the high school is all about. So she's going to be home a little bit later today, but I'm excited to hear how that all goes. So I hope that was fun for you to see how I'm using those daily pages, to see these new covers and kind of take a look at everything, get a quick unboxing of the items that I got. Where are those? Oh, everything's over here. I got my little pockets here, and then I also got this other cover. So that's what I got in the anniversary launch. I hope you enjoyed seeing this. Let me know if you got any goodies and what things you were most excited about when they launched all that new stuff. And thanks for joining me. I'll be back on Sunday with another sort of clean with me style video, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button down below, and I'll have links to everything, my website, Natasha's Healthy Living. I have my index card course, and of course the Peaceful Home membership, which we have our Zoom call tonight. So I'm excited to check in with everyone that joined us for the first month last month and see how people have done with their projects and goals, and how the index cards are working at everyone's homes, and what kind of things they've been up to for this last month. So it'll be a good one. All right, thanks again for joining me. Have a good afternoon and rest of your week, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.